Alright, these guys.
Check out this new car. I got this new car.
You guys want to see a trick?
Hell no! Hell to that! Hell no, David Blaine! You have the restraining order against your demon ass. I will call the police right now. Right now, David Blaine. Now. I'm calling them. Okay. They didn't answer. Okay, turn that off. Huh.
No, I thought come and step behind this pillar and you will never see.
No, I'm not doing any of your tricks. Yeah, I'm not doing
Oh,
no,
you're not doing that again.
You again? That's the best trick I ever heard in the history of your bitch ass trick. No, no,
On a count of three.
no, no, no. Where did he go? Oh my God! Where did he go? Where did you go? Where did you? Peter! Oh my, Peter! What just happened to you? Oh my God! I was in dinosaur time. What the F? Yeah, I spent a week in dinosaur time. Oh my! What the? 5 days. What? 4 nights. Oh my God! Walking, fighting dinosaurs. You demon! You demon! You demon! I didn't even get to ride any. I didn't get to ride any. You know what? You know what? I'm filing in. You get away! Get away! You know what? Demon! Police!
Hey, shut the camera off.
You know what? Okay. What's going on? Okay. He sent me to. He sent me to dinosaur time.
And he didn't even get the right.
I didn't even.
They were mean.
This was an egg from a mommy dinosaur. And that dinosaur chased me and volcano went up and shit. And I didn't even get to ride any. They were mean. They were mean. And I wanted to eat, so I stole an egg from a mommy dinosaur, and that dinosaur chased me, and volcanoes went up and shit.
You guys want to learn another trick?
Ah!